I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can check Google Sheets edit history. So it's pretty simple. So the first method is, let's say you want to check the history of a single cell or a single box. In that case, go in the box first and then right click. Once you right click, you will see the option called show edit history. Click on it. Then it's going to show you the edit history of that individual box only. You can swipe left and right to see, you can choose this arrow to see which history you want to see, the past or the future one. After you choose the history you want, you can click on this over here and you're basically able to let go of the history. And the other way to see the history of your Google Sheet is to click on File at the top left corner and choose Version History. From over here, choose See Version History. Then it's going to show you the version history. Over here, make sure this is checkmarked and you can switch between whichever version you like. After you choose the version you like, you're good to go inside it. But if you want to go back into the previous version, click on Restore this version. Click on Restore and you will go back to the previous version. So that is basically how you guys can check Google Sheets edit history. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.